What is the law of attraction after all? Is this the lamp of Aladdin? Can we achieve anything in life just by thinking? And if this had happened, then the thing called problem or the trouble would be ended from this world. Because just we think from the heart and all our trouble end. And if by visualizing something, it can actually happen in our life, and if it is where so, we would have dream every day. So it means that all our dream will start coming true. Therefore, what work will be left for us to do? For this reason, many such questions keep arising in our mind regarding the law of attraction, whether it really works or is just a false hypothesis. So I will try to clear the fog of your dilemma regarding the law of attraction. So let's first know what is the law of attraction and then how to use it. So, what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction emphasizes that our thought affects our reality. It tells us that the positive thoughts bring positive result in our life. The same negative thoughts bring negative result in our life. This law believes that our positive energy attracts success in our life, whether it is our personal success or our professional success. The law of attraction is a manifestation that paves the way for us to attract positive things in our life. So it is clear that law of attraction principle help us to fulfill our desire, but still we do not know about the hindrance. Because of that, the law of attraction does not work for us. Here the question arises that is there is no drawback in using it. So let's know how to use it efficiently, that it work for us. So how to use the law of attraction? There are 7 ways to use the law of attraction. First is practicing acceptance. Be grateful for what you have got and what you are getting. Try to accept it with an open heart. Do not regret what you did not get, because what we have got is reality, and what was not found is our poor imagination, and imagination is always the reason for the pain. So try to live in reality. Second is visualize your goal, what you want to do or become. Try to imagine that, but not through the dream, with open eyes. Writing your goal or target on a cardboard or a chart paper in a big letter. Either hang it on your ceiling or on your dashboard where it can be visualized by your eyes. This will help you to memorize your goal, and your memory will keep indicating to your brain that you have to achieve that target. Third is notify or generalize your thoughts. This is the best aspect of this thing. Take a notebook and note down your trigger point of thoughts in it, like what thoughts come to your mind in any situation and what is your thinking process in that particular situation. Which type of ideas come to your mind and your thinking is negative or positive. When you slowly start noting your thoughts, then you will know whether you are of negative mindset or of a positive mindset. Fourth is use the rational mind and the emotional mind. Our mind is divided in 2 parts. One is our logical mind and other is our emotional mind. One take a decision logically in a given situation while other take it emotionally. That's why both our brain must work in equal proportion. Otherwise, our decision will start going wrong. If our decision will be taken by our emotional or logical brain, then somewhere negativity will start dominating us more. That's why it is more important to work both of them in equal proportion. And when you start noting your thoughts, then you can easily find out these things, which of your mind was more effective in your decision and in which situation, and you can fix that. Fifth is meditation. Do meditation. This will concentrate your mind, and your focused mind will help you to give more attention to anything. You make your every decision after more evaluation. It exudes positive energy in you, or will you get help in discipline your mind. Due to this, your attention will increase. Sixth, use positive affirmation. You can use any affirmation. It is just a way to recall your mind so that your mind can know what you want to do in your life and what is your purpose. Some affirmation is like that. I love myself. I can do whatever I want. I live in present. This is some simple affirmation which you can repeat daily while meditating. You can do it for at least 2 minutes or repeat it at least 3 times. Seventh is positive self talk. This is a very easy way. In this, you have to talk to yourself. You have to beat yourself. You have to convert your negative thinking into positive thinking. And for this, whenever some negative thoughts come into your mind, then you start saying positive thing loudly to yourself. You will see that negative thoughts will go away from your mind in a pinch. So till now, we have come to know about the law of attraction and how to use it. So if you want that law of attraction work for you, you have to use the discussed 7 point. So thank you and best of luck. If this video added some value in your life, then please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.